Good day everyone, and welcome to my new video about crypto world. Here in my channel you can find video reviews about crypto project, videos about how you can make money from websites and airdrop. By the way, we have our channel in Telegram where we post mostly everyday new airdrops and contest, feel free to join it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. So our video today is about Covesting and his token. So first we'll check the website, and the partnership with PrimeXBT and also the token in CoinMarketCap. Here is the website. As you can see, we find good information about this project. So what is Covesting? Covesting is a fully licensed distributed ledger technology services provider. We develop innovative trading tools to service both retail and institutional customers. Also, you need to know that Covesting is a global fintech company incorporated under the laws of Gibraltar, which offers the broadest array of software solutions for retail and institutional customers worldwide. Covesting has become one of the world's first companies to receive a Distributed Ledger Technology License (DLT) from regulatory authorities in Gibraltar. You can see the license from here. We go now to partnership with PrimeXBT. You can trade and benefits from Covesting in PrimeXBT. I already made videos about the way you can do that, you can check them out from my channel. PrimeXBT is an award-winning Bitcoin-based margin trading platform. You can trade with Forex, stock indices, commodities with trading volumes over $1 billion. So it offers you up to 100x leverage for cryptocurrencies, aggregated liquidity from multiple liquidity providers, a wide range of technical analysis tools for trading, security, liquidity, and a safe and efficient trading environment. First, Cryptocopy trading module. I invite you to register from the link in the description box to receive a bonus of 35% for your first deposit. The bonus will only last for a month, so hurry up to register and start trading. If you are a beginner and intend to enter the trading market to profit from it, this feature will easily enable you to achieve your endeavor. And that is by choosing a professional trader you find on the platform and following him. After following it, the same deals will be entered into automatically or automatically make a profit together. Of course, to choose this person you will find these statistics that help you, showing you the percentage or profit that he achieved within a day, month or year. Accordingly, you choose the one who achieved the best percentage in a short period of time and follow it up. Thanks to COV utility token integration, all users are now able to benefit from the following incentives within the Covesting module at PrimeXBT. 1. Improving success fees for followers. With COV tokens, every follower will be able to improve the percent split in their favor. 2. No entry fees for followers. The Covesting module has introduced a 1% entry fee for all new strategy followings. By activating this COV token utility, followers will be able to waive this fee completely and enjoy freedom of making multiple followings and unfollowings daily, with no extra cost. 3. Trading fee discount for strategy managers. By paying a fixed amount of COV tokens, strategy managers can unlock a 25%, 50%, and 75% trading fee discount respectively. This utility should further improve their trading results and profitability of all Covesting module traders. 4. COV token burn program. To reduce the COV supply, the Covesting team will burn a portion of the fees generated by the Cryptocopy trading module. PrimeXBT offers COV token for purchase to immediately unlock utility. PrimeXBT will allow users to activate these utilities by using their BTC wallet balance. As such, all the BTC collected from Covesting utility activations will be further directed towards systematic COV token buybacks. In the future, PrimeXBT also considers providing spot exchange services and the opportunity to purchase COV tokens directly on the platform for holding purposes. So, PrimeXBT users can begin using the COV utilities and unlock the Cryptocopy trading module's full power from now. Surely, there are still many features ahead. Uniswap widget integration for COV staking and easy purchase on-chain, optional feature for managers, show all trading history to their followers and much more. Without forgetting the Covesting token called COV token listed in CoinMarketCap. Here is the price, and the total supply is only 20 million tokens. Here you can see how much volume was traded in last 24 hours. So, what you need to know about this token is, 1. The COV utility token is an Ethereum-based ERC20 token designed to bolster the benefits that Covesting offers the trading community. 2. COV token is not available in the United States or other jurisdictions where transactions in such ERC20 tokens cryptocurrencies as COV are prohibited by law. You can buy and trade COV token in these markets: HitBTC, Uniswap, V2, KuCoin, Yobit, and FATBTC. As you can see, the big trading volume is on KuCoin, so we'll leave you a link of KuCoin exchange down below. Simply register an account on the platform. Activate the email. Deposit any amount you want to the platform in Bitcoin or Ethereum. Because the currency can be traded against Bitcoin or Ethereum only. From here you can place a buy order on the currency in any quantity you want. Finally, the COV token has a very high potential in the medium time perspective. Covesting has a very supportive and active community. Feel free to visit their Telegram chat. You can ask about anything about the token and the platform. Also, don't forget to follow them on other social network links. Here, my friends, we come to the end of the video. If you have any question, write it down below. Also check all my video reviews about PrimeXBT exchange in 3 different languages. Thanks for watching.